Porsche's factory in Stuttgart, Germany is the heart of the company's production, where decades of automotive engineering expertise and craftsmanship come together to create world-class vehicles. The factory incorporates advanced manufacturing technologies including robotics, automation, and cutting-edge software systems, ensuring high precision and efficiency in the production process. Porsche is committed to sustainability in its manufacturing practices, utilizing renewable energy, minimizing waste, and reducing its carbon footprint, aligning with the global push for eco-friendly practices. Each Porsche vehicle undergoes meticulous craftsmanship, with skilled technicians ensuring that every car meets the brand's rigorous quality standards. The production process emphasizes quality control at every stage. Porsche's factory has strong ties to the company's motorsport history, contributing to the development of race cars for prestigious events like the 24 Hours of Le Mans, incorporating lessons from the track into road car production. The factory is not just for assembly, but also serves as a center for innovation, where new technologies such as electric powertrains and advanced suspension systems are developed and tested. Porsche offers an extensive range of customization options for its vehicles, and the factory accommodates these personalized preferences, ensuring each car reflects the customer's desires. Every vehicle that leaves the Porsche factory undergoes rigorous testing, ensuring top-notch performance, reliability, and safety. This includes dynamic tests to evaluate handling, acceleration, and durability. Porsche's factory not only supports the brand's global presence by producing vehicles for international markets, but also strengthens Germany's reputation as a leader in automotive innovation and high-quality manufacturing.